give the presentation of one of the very prestigious project recently completed by our company in state of Qatar. Shortage of time, I will try my best to finish it within short time. I have got instruction. This is again we have the small introduction. This is my name. Please. The name of project Marsa Malaz Kambixi Hotel. The client name Al Fardan Hospitality is the biggest real developer in the state of Qatar, even the internationally well known. The consultant Arab Engineering Bureau, one of the famous and heritage designs, famous Arab Engineering Bureau. Contractor, the local contractor, construction development company, third party, Nespark Engineering Qatar for structural and other calculations, and the GRC contractor is of course the GRC. This is the brief introduction. The Gulf GRC 1995, we involved in the small businesses in state of Qatar, and we did a hard work to create ability and compassion for the company has now made GRC is one of the Qatar's largest company with several branches, and now we are the group of companies. We are engaged in every aspects of GRC, GRG and GRP decorative elements, architecture elements. We are involved in every stage of construction, increasing number of our clients are turning to the company due to the quality assurance, creative abilities, success of innovative projects, and a promised efficiency in all projects. We offer extensive expertise with glass fiber reinforcement concrete like GRC. Gulf GRC is committed to excellence in all varieties of industrial, commercial, residential, interior, exterior, decorative of building by supplying high quality GRC decorative elements in any quantity, anytime, at any level. This is, we did GRC work of before the history, almost 5-star hotel in Qatar. Number 1 is the Ritz-Carlton, Doha Sheraton, extension phase we did, Al Sharaq, Grand Heritage, which is it will come after, and Kambixi, which we are going to present today. This is the location plan, aerial view, The total work quantity is almost 30,000 meters square, and out of that, which we have 22,000 is the stone finish or sand finish, which is very popular in Doha. Almost all the clients, all the buildings, they are using pigmented stone finish, and the white GRC we use in interior and some ceilings and arcades. It's a very famous hotel, and it's a creative, and people like it too much. It's not fully open, and the value of the project. The period 7 months given to us, which was a challenging job because of all the acid etching and the stone texture, which is not easy. We can do before, but because we have to follow the schedule of the main contractor. This is the perspective view. We have the key elements. We just highlight because we cannot go into detail. We have all the details which we can go, like I saw many projects with the technical and all the things, but it needs again a time, so I will not go in detail. I will give only the few highlights. Number of molds, almost 2,000 numbers. Elements, number of elements, 11,000. Long columns, more than 5 meters. We will show you the next screen images. Screens 100 number, Moshavia, arches 200, and domes 41, balustrades 9,000 something, and dome features, all the dome features surrounding 450. This is, I must have to mention the name of the project because there is a history when client and the architect and consultant, when they are going to visit. As I saw in one presentation, it was mentioned that the consultant went and they checked the factory first time, they failed, second time they failed. So it's a very difficult job because of the texture, because of the quality, factory, the workers, training, everything. So the same practice they did, and we have gone through that, but finally they come over the project, which is a running project, and we have the textures and the panel numbers, everything. So they select the color and texture from this project, which is called Al-Mirkama, which is almost glass and the cladding, but all the GRC is the pigmented and stone finish. The material selection phase, we have made many samples in our factory, and the architect, consultant, they came, they checked the texture, and finally they approved. Yeah, the mold making, this is the process. I will not go into detail because I have been forced, I have to run fast. So this is the phase of CNC machine while working on the molds. This is the, I have to explain because this is the special phase. Logistic is the problem because to carry the large size of panel is not easy on the road because of bridges, restriction, police rules, regulation, interior ministry, very strict. So we have made the low bed trailer special where we can, because we cannot lift the horizontally, sometimes we have to lift the vertical. So we make the special loading system for that. And this is the manufacturing, the material shown in our factory, how we made, stacking, and the various installations. This is the dome installation phase, which we have, you can see on the screen, please. Then we have the seaside view, the other view, you can see the hotel while working, going on. This is the after dome installations, the phase. Then the best color selection for dusty and humid atmosphere. That was very important because they came and they checked our existing project and they finally decided to choose the color, which is I think the scene is very much right. Final phase came like this. Then this is the Marsabala Cabixi Hotel. You can see in the night view, which is now anywhere on the net you can see. It's a very, very hard property nowadays. People want to, anybody in Qatar want to live in that. It's not fully open yet, but these are the some of our ongoing projects, the history, where the consultant have approved to us. Yes. This is the final phase when they receive and and I would like to thank everybody for being the time, and I would like to request everybody, please vote for us. Thank you.
Thank you very much. You've heard all the presentations, all 6, and in a moment we're just going to remind you of those 6. And what I'd like you to do then is to get out your voting cards. I hope you've all got your wonderful GRCA pens in your pockets, ready to put your X's down. And so here you are, just to remind you. So number 1, Mars Malaz Kempinski Hotel, Pearl Island. Number 2, Prime Mall in Turkey. Number 3 Merchant Square in London. Number 4, the Nanjing Youth Olympic Conference Centre. Number 5, the Galleria in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. And number 6, the Enchanted Storybook Castle in Disneyland in China. So, the voting card. There's your voting card. So please just vote once. Enter an X against the project number which you think should be the winner. And then, as you leave, would you please put your vote in the box where Mr. Crocker is at the back? Would you hold the box up? That is the official GRCA ballot box, as you can see by the words on the front of it. And would you please vote, and we will announce the winner tonight at the dinner. One final thing before you all leave, please. Could you enter your names on the table list outside according to where you'd like to sit or who you'd like to sit with, etc. There is a table plan and a list. And don't forget, please be in the Plaza Ballroom for 7:30, ready to sit down and eat at 8 o'clock. Thank you very much, and see you later.
Everyone see you before I go.
Abi sen gidiyor musun? Yok, Serdar mısın? Ben gideceğim, otele gideceğim, birisiyle buluşacağım. Emin Hanım geldi, teşekkür ederim. Mesaj geldi.